In this video, we will delve into the essential topic of managing finances effectively after payday. The purpose of our discussion is to provide you with practical guidance on how to allocate your money wisely once you receive your paycheck. Understanding how to manage your finances is crucial, as it helps you avoid the common pitfall of living paycheck to paycheck, a situation that can lead to unnecessary stress and financial instability. By cultivating financial awareness and planning, you can take control of your financial future and make informed decisions that benefit you in the long run. Throughout this video, we will outline 8 actionable steps that you can implement immediately to enhance your financial situation. These steps are designed to empower you with the knowledge and tools needed to budget effectively, save for emergencies, and invest in your future. By the end of this video, you will have a clearer understanding of how to manage your finances post-payday, enabling you to build a more secure financial foundation. So, stay tuned as we explore these strategies that can transform your approach to money management and help you achieve your financial goals. One significant cognitive bias that affects financial decision-making is known as the ostrich effect. This term refers to the tendency of individuals to avoid confronting unpleasant financial realities, much like an ostrich supposedly buries its head in the sand to avoid danger. This avoidance can have a profound impact on how people manage their finances, often leading to poor decision-making and a lack of awareness about their financial situation. It is a global disease. This bias contributes to the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, as individuals may ignore mounting debts, unpaid bills, or insufficient savings. By choosing to overlook these issues, they inadvertently perpetuate their financial struggles, making it difficult to break free from this cycle. We must recognize the importance of confronting our financial realities rather than turning a blind eye. Acknowledging the state of one's finances is the first step toward making informed decisions and taking control of one's financial future. By facing these challenges head-on, individuals can develop a clearer understanding of their financial health and implement strategies to improve their situation. Embracing this proactive approach can ultimately lead to greater financial stability and peace of mind. To effectively manage your finances, it's crucial to start by calculating your essential living expenses. Begin by listing all your necessary costs, which typically include housing, groceries, transportation, utilities, and any other recurring expenses that are vital for your daily life. This comprehensive list will provide a clear picture of your financial obligations. Next, it's essential to know your total net income, which is the amount you take home after taxes and deductions. Understanding how your net income relates to your expenses is key to maintaining financial stability. Ideally, you should aim to keep your essential expenses below 60% of your net income. This guideline helps ensure that you have enough room in your budget for savings, discretionary spending, and unexpected costs. By adhering to this principle, you can create a more balanced financial situation that promotes better health and reduces stress. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your essential expenses can also help you identify areas where you might cut back, allowing you to allocate more funds towards savings or debt repayment. Ultimately, being mindful of your essential living expenses and their relationship to your income is a foundational step toward achieving financial security and peace of mind. A solution fund is a dedicated savings account set aside specifically for emergencies, providing a financial safety net when unexpected expenses arise. The psychological benefits of having a solution fund are significant. It fosters a sense of security and peace of mind, knowing that you have resources available to handle unforeseen circumstances. This financial cushion can alleviate stress and anxiety, allowing you to navigate life's challenges with greater confidence. It is good practice to aim to save at least 1 month's living expenses in an easily accessible account. This amount serves as a solid foundation for your solution fund, ensuring that you can cover essential costs without derailing your financial stability during emergencies. Having this fund readily available means you won't have to rely on credit cards or loans, which can lead to further financial strain. The importance of maintaining peace of mind cannot be overstated. When you know you have a solution fund to fall back on, you can approach unexpected financial emergencies with a clear head and a proactive mindset. By prioritizing the establishment of a solution fund, you empower yourself to face life's uncertainties without fear, ultimately leading to better financial health and a more resilient approach to managing your finances. Managing and paying off debt effectively is crucial for achieving financial stability, especially when it comes to high-interest debt. High-interest debt, such as credit card balances, can significantly impact your financial health as the interest accumulates quickly, making it harder to pay off the principal amount. To tackle this challenge, consider employing effective repayment strategies like the snowball and avalanche methods. The snowball strategy involves paying off your smallest debts first, which can provide quick wins and motivate you to continue tackling larger debts. In contrast, the avalanche strategy focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, ultimately saving you more money in interest payments over time. Both methods have their merits, and the choice depends on your personal preferences and financial situation. Additionally, it's essential to use any savings you may have to pay off high-interest debts rather than accumulating more. This proactive approach can help reduce the overall debt burden and prevent the cycle of borrowing from continuing. By implementing these strategies and prioritizing debt repayment, you can regain control of your finances, reduce stress, and work towards a debt-free future, ultimately leading to improved financial well-being and peace of mind. Maximizing employer retirement contributions is a vital step towards securing your financial future. One of the key benefits of employer matching contributions to retirement accounts is that it essentially provides free money to boost your savings. When your employer matches a portion of your contributions, you can significantly increase your retirement fund without any additional cost to you. Therefore, it's crucial to take full advantage of this benefit by contributing enough to meet the matching threshold. I encourage you to enroll in workplace pension schemes if they are available, as these programs often come with built-in employer contributions that can enhance your retirement savings. Participating in these schemes not only helps you save for the future, but also instills a disciplined approach to saving. Additionally, it's important to highlight the tax benefits associated with retirement contributions. Contributions to retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs can reduce your taxable income, allowing you to save on taxes while simultaneously preparing for retirement. By understanding and utilizing these tax advantages, you can maximize your savings potential. In summary, taking advantage of employer matching contributions, enrolling in pension schemes, and leveraging tax benefits are essential strategies for building a robust retirement fund and ensuring a more secure financial future. Having a robust emergency fund is a cornerstone of sound financial management and provides essential security during unexpected life events. My advice would be to aim for saving 3 to 6 months' worth of essential living costs in your emergency fund. This amount acts as a financial buffer, allowing you to cover necessary expenses such as housing, groceries, and utilities in case of unforeseen circumstances like job loss, medical emergencies, or urgent home repairs. An emergency fund not only offers peace of mind, but also protects you from falling into debt when life throws a curveball. By having this financial safety net, you can navigate challenges without the added stress of financial instability. It's important to prioritize building this fund after addressing any immediate debts. While paying off debt is crucial, having an emergency fund ensures that you won't have to rely on credit cards or loans in times of crisis, which can lead to a cycle of debt. By focusing on establishing a solid emergency fund, you empower yourself to face life's uncertainties with confidence and resilience. Ultimately, a well-funded emergency account is a vital step toward achieving long-term financial health and stability, allowing you to focus on your goals without the constant worry of unexpected expenses. Investing in personal and professional development is a powerful strategy for enhancing your financial future. One of the most significant benefits of skill enhancement is the potential for increased income. By acquiring new skills or improving existing ones, you position yourself for promotions, raises, or even new job opportunities that can lead to higher earnings. Additionally, exploring side hustles can provide an extra income stream, allowing you to leverage your talents and interests while boosting your financial stability. It's essential to emphasize that investing in oneself is crucial for long-term financial growth. The more you invest in your education and skills, the more valuable you become in the job market, which can lead to greater job security and financial rewards. I encourage you to allocate resources towards education and skill-building opportunities, whether through formal courses, workshops, or online learning platforms. These investments not only enhance your knowledge, but also expand your professional network, opening doors to new opportunities. By prioritizing personal and professional development, you empower yourself to adapt to changing job markets and seize new opportunities, ultimately leading to a more prosperous and fulfilling financial future. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself, as it pays dividends for years to come. Making the most of tax-free investment options is a smart strategy for building wealth over time. In the US, one popular option is the Roth IRA, which allows your investments to grow tax-free, and qualified withdrawals are also tax-free in retirement. Similarly, in the UK, individual savings accounts, ISAs, offer tax-free growth on your investments, making them an excellent choice for savers and investors alike. Start investing early, as this allows you to take full advantage of compounding growth. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow, leading to potentially significant returns over the years. By consistently contributing to these tax-free accounts, you can maximize your investment potential while minimizing your tax liabilities. Additionally, platforms like Trading 212 provide accessible investment opportunities, allowing you to easily manage your investments and take advantage of tax-free accounts. These platforms often offer user-friendly interfaces and educational resources, making it easier for both beginners and experienced investors to navigate the investment landscape. By utilizing tax-free investment options and starting early, you can set yourself on a path toward financial independence and long-term wealth accumulation. Remember, the key is to take action and make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Evaluating opportunity costs is a crucial aspect of making informed financial decisions. Opportunity cost refers to the potential benefits you forgo when choosing one option over another. In financial planning, understanding opportunity costs helps you assess the true value of your choices, ensuring that you allocate your resources effectively. For instance, when deciding whether to pay off debt or invest for future growth, it's essential to weigh the potential returns of each option against the costs associated with them. Prioritizing your financial goals based on personal values and risk appetite. This means considering what matters most to you, whether it's achieving financial independence, saving for a home, or planning for retirement, and aligning your decisions accordingly. Striking a balance between paying off debt and investing is vital. While eliminating high-interest debt can provide immediate financial relief, investing can yield long-term growth. By evaluating the opportunity costs associated with each choice, you can make strategic decisions that align with your overall financial objectives. Ultimately, understanding opportunity costs empowers you to navigate your financial journey with clarity and purpose, ensuring that your choices reflect your values and contribute to your long-term success. Remember, every financial decision carries an opportunity cost, so choose wisely. As we wrap up this discussion on managing finances effectively after payday, let's recap the 8 key steps we've covered. First, we emphasize the importance of calculating your essential living expenses to understand your financial obligations. Next, we discussed the significance of having a solution fund for emergencies, followed by strategies for managing and paying off debt effectively. We also highlighted the benefits of maximizing employer retirement contributions and the importance of investing in personal and professional development. Additionally, we explored how to make the most of tax-free investment options and the relevance of evaluating opportunity costs in your financial decisions. Taking action on your financial planning and management is crucial for achieving long-term stability and growth. Remember, knowledge is only powerful when applied, so start implementing these strategies today to take control of your financial future. We encourage you to engage with us by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends and family who may benefit from these financial tips. Your support helps us create more valuable content to assist you on your financial journey. Together, let's build a community focused on financial empowerment and success. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.